I'm more excited for this item than any other item that I have purchased, and there's a lot of stuff here. I've never seen anybody post about this ever, and I feel like it might change your life. It's a lot of stuff, guys, I know. All right, guys, now is a portion of the video where I'm going to share with you all the things that I got for this Disney cruise. I do have a few things for the parks as well, but there's like a mess here, and I have a box here. I'm holding a box. So I'm gonna go through what I have in the box. Gonna go through everything that I'm sitting next to. So we'll start with Amazon. I'm gonna try to rapid fire this because otherwise we'll be here forever. So, all right, we're gonna rapid fire. And if you want more details when I'm packing, maybe I'll share more details. I don't even know where to start. Where to start? Okay, where to start? I'm gonna start here. So I'm just gonna pick something random. I got these glitter tattoos. I also ordered some stencils from Etsy, like Disney Cruise Line stencils, and some that work for the park as well. I think some of them, like I got like the Disney Castle, I got the Disney Cruise logo, and maybe just like some Mickey heads. Those have not come yet. We leave a week from today. I'm really hoping they come soon. I have to check the ETA. I have not checked that yet, but I will check the ETA. Hopefully it comes before we go. Otherwise, we'll save it for our next cruise, but I'm really hoping we can use it for this cute cruise. Okay, so that's what this is. I'll throw a picture on the screen of what like the glitter tattoos actually look like. Like basically you take a stencil, you put it on your arm or your face or wherever you want. They give you this glue, you put the glue on, and then you like put the glitter on. So it's a little messy, but you are allowed to bring it on Disney Cruise Line. I thought it would just be something different and fun. We did it at our local library a couple months ago. The kids loved it, and it was like pretty affordable on Amazon, so I grabbed that. So that's the first thing I got. So I'm just gonna try to rapid fire this. Okay, next I got these adapters for my 2-year-old's headphones for the plane, or like you know, so he can listen, because we get them from Five Below and they're like $5. Next up, I got some water wings because we use puddle jumpers. So basically it's like water wings, but it has like a bar, not a bar, like foam that attaches it. If you know, you know. So anyway, those are a pain in the neck to travel with, and you can see how like flat they are. So this will easily fit in my suitcase. There's a pack of 4 here. I will probably just bring 2 of them. Okay, next, this is probably for the parks and Lookout Key. I don't think we'll really need it on the ship, but I got these ice packs because I just thought, you know, I have to check. I think you could bring them on Disney Cruise. I'll have to check. I'll definitely bring them for the parks, but hopefully I can bring them on Disney Cruise as well. You know, they're just patches, so I thought I could put them like on our necks. If we're like super hot, it might feel nice. So I grabbed some of those. And then next up I have, I'm sorry if I keep looking down, I'm like looking in the box. So the next thing I have, I got this body and clothing tape. I really got it for like clothing because my t-shirts, like this is a Five Below t-shirts, $5 from Five Below. I love Five Below t-shirts. And sometimes I want them to be a little more cropped, but I don't want to have to cut them, like, because sometimes I like my shirts to be longer. So I figured I could use this to tape them so I could sort of make them cropped if I want to. Next up, speaking of tape, now this tape is a little bit different. So I saw someone on YouTube, it was like a YouTube short, and she's very like mom positivity. She had a baby, I don't know, probably maybe like within the last year, maybe like a year ago. So she's all about like mom positivity, and you know, anyway, she's like a 3rd-time mom. So my friends, if you are like me and you nurse your children, you might know that the girls might change size or shape or just not be what they were maybe when you were like 22. So I am like pushing 40 here. So the girls are just not what they once were, being my age and having nursed 3 kids in like 5 years. So I got this tape, and you can see what it says there. It's for your chest, and basically you can tape the girls to make them like more comfortable. So about the YouTube short that I watched, this mom, she was like, look how great my chest looks in this bathing suit. And no, this like, you know, I'm not wearing cups or whatever. She taped them, and I was like, ah, that's awesome. Like so awesome. So I got the tape for that. I will be doing an unpack with me. So when I do the unpack with me, I'll let you guys know like what I was like glad that I packed for the cruise and for the parks, but mainly the cruise, and like what I was, you know, wish I had like left behind. So I don't know, it's TBD. Like, oh, and I also got this one. I got 2 different ones. So we'll see which tape works better for the girls. I'll let you know. Next up, you guys, I'm more excited for this item than any other item that I have purchased, and there's a lot of stuff here, like a lot. So this item, I've never seen anybody post about this ever. Not on TikTok, not on, you know, YouTube or Instagram, nothing. I've never seen anybody post about this on social media. Now, I know I don't watch everyone, obviously, but I do watch my fair share of Disney vloggers. I have the people I'm loyal to and just the people I stumble upon and will randomly watch, whatever. I have not seen this. So let me know if you've seen it before, but I'm pretty sure this is a brand new find. And I feel like it might change your life. So, you know what I mean? Like change your life, like take them with a grain of salt. So it is this fan. Now if you're like, KJ, okay, it's a fan, like cool. So you're just going to like hold it to your face. No, 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 no. No, you are not holding it to your face. You are going to clip this on. I know we're just talking about the girls. You can clip it on between the girls, which I did try, and it does feel awesome. And then you can also clip it to your like your waistband, and you can clip it to like the outside of your waistband and like kind of get like a breeze in your face. But here's the thing that makes it like there's no words for it. That makes it like the unicorn of all fans. Like this is the unicorn of all fans. If you are listening to nothing else in this video, this is the unicorn of all fans. The other important thing, listen up guys, listen, this one's important. If you get a fan, try it out outside. Do not try it in your air-conditioned home because guess what? It will feel awesome because you're circulating air-conditioned air. Like I bought those neck fans, it felt amazing. And I was like, John, try this. This is fantastic. He's like, oh, it's like having your own personal air conditioner. Well, yeah, it ended up being like having your own personal air conditioner when we were inside in the AC. But when you're outside, you're circulating hot air and it just like doesn't really do anything. So this one, I tried outside in the 90-degree heat because right now it is August in the Northeast and it is hot. And so I tried it out the other day and it feels amazing. So I clipped it to my bra and it felt great because it kind of like blew up in my face and also kept the girls nice and comfortable. Then I clipped it to the outside of my waistband. I tried that out. That felt great. And then I clipped it to the inside of my like my waistband, like on my back. And that felt incredible, like incredible. So really excited to see how this goes on our trip. Next up is this document bag. So this is for our documents for when we go on the cruise, birth certificates, passports, and we usually just keep it in a folder, but then I was like, maybe we should keep it in something a little bit more, protective. So I found this one. It also happens to be a fireproof bag. Now I hope that we do not need anything fireproof. Like I really hope we don't need anything fireproof. However, I thought, well, if I'm gonna buy a document bag for our very important documents, it might as well be fireproof. It even says on there, a security fireproof bag. So it has like a Velcro. I'm not gonna open it because it'll be really loud. It has a Velcro here and a zipper here, and then it has a zipper pocket here. I'll open this one so you guys can see like what it looks like inside. It's like, I don't know, looks like it could be fireproof, I guess. This is what the inside looks like. And that's what the inside of the big pocket looks like as well. So again, I really hope that we don't need a fireproof bag, but like I was like, well, I'll just get the fireproof bag anyway. Next up, I have some orange hair. And if you're like, oh, orange hair, what the heck, KJ? Okay, the orange hair is to braid into my daughter's hair for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. I'm also going to be doing, I don't know if it'll be in this video or my pack with me, or you'll see it at some point, but I did get some other things. I'm not gonna show them in this video because they're already like in my like hair drawer in my bathroom, but I got blue hair, pink hair, and purple hair, and the orange hair a little bit later. So this is for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. I did get the blue because she's gonna dress up as Elsa one day, and I got the pink and purple for when she dresses as Rapunzel. That's the plan. I got some like hair clips too. Again, I'll share that with you at another time, but that's what that is for. Really excited about that. I got a lot of trying to talk fast, guys. Okay, I got these bags because if you didn't know, you cannot bring the compression bags on a Disney cruise, or you can, but like the ones that have the little, you can either get a pump or you can get like the thing that like suctions all the air out. You cannot bring those on a cruise. So I was really bummed about that because that was my plan, because since we'll be gone for, 8 full days, 10 days, we'll be gone 10 days, 2 travel days, and like the 8 full days. So I got these. I'm going to try these out. I love my packing cubes. I got them from Dollar Tree. I know Dollar Tree. I got them from Dollar Tree, and like they are my go-to, but I think because we're going a little bit longer, I don't know if that will work. So I'm going to try these. We'll see how this works. I'll show you when I'm actually packing and see how they work. I got these, and then I also got these. So I got 2 different kinds. So we'll see how they work. I'll let you guys know my unpack with me. Maybe I won't even end up bringing them. I don't know. I'm going to try them out. Hopefully we'll see how that goes. Okay, next up, I got more stroller clips. These stroller clips are amazing. These are the best stroller clips. These are the best stroller clips ever. I think they are amazing. I highly recommend. I already have 6 of them. I bought 6 more for this trip. And next up here, okay, the reason there is like the label is gone is because, like on Amazon, you can put like ship in, manufacturer's packaging. Well, I did that for this, but I'm obviously going to rip the label off with my address on it. So it's laundry sheets. Since we are going, like I just said, for about 10 days, 8 full days, I'm going to try to do laundry on this ship since that'll be like the midway point. So my plan is to just wash like a few things. I also, well, I'm getting ahead of myself. I also recommend the Tide sink packets, but I'll talk about that in another part of the video most likely. So we'll skip that here, but I'm hoping that will be an easy pack. There will be a pirate night on our cruise. So I got these little pirate hats, which I thought were so cute. Here, I'll try one on for you. They're really for my kids because they look a little ridiculous on me. I mean, obviously it's too small. It's like if I could like open it up like that, I'm like, So it came in a pack of 6. It also came with these little eye I don't know why I'm closing my eye. I'm closing this eye to do the patch, but it came with the eye patch. So yeah, it came with eye patches. I feel like I'm really trying to, guys, we're over 10 minutes. Okay, so I got the pirate hats for my boys. My daughter can wear one too, but she and I have mini ears, like pirate mini ears, so we'll probably wear those, but I will bring one for her just in case she wants to wear it. Speaking of my daughter, my 5-year-old, I did get her this Elsa dress. This was under $15. It was $14.99, but that's technically under $15. So this dress here, what I like about this is that you can take the cape off. So if you want to wash it, like, because this is tulle. So if you don't want to wash the tulle, because you probably can, but if you want to take off the cape, you can. So I got this dress for her. I think she's going to wear it on the cruise. She might wear it at Epcot, TBD. I will let you guys know. You guys will see. Okay, the next Elsa dress, I am not going to take out of the bag. I will put some footage, either like some B-roll, or I'll show you a picture of the dress. But I got this for my daughter. This is a glow-up dress, as she calls it. Now, she does not know what a glow-up is. She is 5. However, it lights up and it glows. So she's like, Mommy, it's a glow-up dress. It lights up and it glows. And I was like, oh, that's actually very creative, the way you called it that. But this is for the nighttime parade, the new nighttime parade at Magic Kingdom. Now, by the time this video is out, I don't know how new it will be. It'll be like a month old, 2 months old, but also be like relatively new. It'll be like a new-ish parade. So we are going to watch the parade our very last night after we get off the cruise. And the day that we disembark, we'll be going to the Poly and to Magic Kingdom that night. So this way, like, the sun will be down, so hopefully she won't be like too hot. And it's short sleeves, but I feel like, you know, it's August, it's hot, but the skirt lights up. So really excited for this. It was under $25. So she also might wear this for Halloween because it's dark, you know, when you're trick-or-treating, depending on what time, because it's like gets dark at like 5 o'clock in the Northeast. So I thought that would also be fun for Halloween. So kind of like, you know, like a double win there. The next thing I got is this hanger thing. So what you do is there's Velcro on it and you can put it around a hanger, or if it's big enough, or if the rod, I should say, is small enough, it can go around like a rod, but you would put it around a hanger like that. And then it has these little clips. So if you wanted to hang your bathing suits, because from what I hear, the Magic is smaller than the, well, it's one of the smallest ships. Like that and the Wonder are the smallest ones. I don't know which one is actually the smallest, but it's, you know, from the smaller fleet. And from what I've watched, like the vlogs I've watched, the rooms on the Magic are a little bit tighter. Now we've been on the Dream and the Wish, and those rooms I found had enough space for us. So I thought these would be good to hang on hangers. It came in a 3-pack, so I don't know if we'll need all 3 of them, but I'll probably bring at least 2 of them. And I figure we can hang like wet bathing suits on it, because I also thought this would probably clip around the like rod of the chairs on the cruise ship, because I'm always afraid things are gonna blow away on the veranda, but they probably won't. But anyway, I feel like we could secure our bathing suits then, if we want to dry them outside, or like in the shower, or just if we want to hang anything in the closet, because there's not like a ton of closet space. I don't really hang up anything in the closet. I'm more of like a live out of my suitcase kind of gal, but I just thought these might come in handy. Maybe they won't, but you'll have to stay tuned for my unpack with me, because I will let you know all the things that I pack on our Disney cruise and for the Disney parks, like if it's worth it or not. Okay, I think that's all of my Amazon purchases for this portion of the video. I did get other things from Amazon, which I will share with you throughout this pack with me series. I will do this like pack and prep with me. I will do like my outfits for the cruise, and then I will do like the other things that I'm packing. Okay, the next thing I got is the stroller caddy. Ours broke the last one we had, so I got this one, and I got this one because it had this like mesh bag. Now we have the mesh slings that go on the like either side of our double stroller. However, the caddy broke, and I don't know, I just thought like, why not get one that has the extra space? Oh, here, you can even see here, like this mom, she's got like a sling here, and then she's got this one too. So I just figured it's like a good like catch-all place to like throw our things. Now we are not renting a car this trip. We are going to be using the buses. I mean, we'll really be on the monorail, but like one day we'll be on the buses. So our stroller folds like in, so we don't have to worry about things falling out of it. So this will just be great, because this will be essentially like upright no matter what. So if we're getting on the bus and you like throw a bunch of stuff in the stroller, we can. We don't have to take things out of the stroller, where depending on like what your stroller is. So we have 2 strollers. We have a single, that one like folds, so we can't really put anything in that one, but the other stroller folds like in on itself. I'll link my stroller setup video so you guys can see that. But anyway, that I think is everything from Amazon. It's a lot of stuff, guys, I know. But I think that is everything from Amazon. Next up, I got a couple of things from Etsy. Okay, so the first thing, this one is from the Mismatched patch. So I got this one from Etsy. It is the Disney cruise symbol. Now the other patches I got were from a place called, I want to get it right, Little Lady A. So littleladya.com. So that is where I got these from. These were also an Etsy find, and I got Captain Minnie and Captain Mickey. Now I do have several Stony Clover Target collab fanny packs, and I like don't use them because I just don't. And I was like, you know what? I have a blue one. Why don't I get patches and I'll put them on there, and this way I have a Disney Cruise fanny pack because I have one for the parks, so I thought I could just have one for the cruise. Next up, I got these earrings from TJ Maxx. If you guys can see the tag there? They were $6. $6, originally $14.99. The next thing I got is from Hobby Lobby. It is another hat, and it's Stitch. How cute is he? And now the best thing about this, it was $5. $5, you guys, from Hobby Lobby.